With the introduction of our most powerful Note device yet, we are excited to announce a powerfully updated S Pen. The new S Pen for the Note 9 features Bluetooth connectivity that makes the S Pen more versatile than ever. Your new S Pen is automatically paired with your Note device and ready for use immediately when using your new Note 9. Because the S Pen is now Bluetooth enabled, two important questions need to be answered. First, how do I charge the S Pen? The S Pen features a built-in capacitor that automatically charges when inserted into the Note 9. The S Pen takes less than 60 seconds to fully charge. Because we know every personality is unique, you can now purchase different color S Pen accessories to really personalize your experience. To pair a new S Pen with your Note 9, insert the new S Pen, go to Settings, Advanced Features, S Pen, select S Pen Remote, click 3 horizontal dots and select the Reset S Pen option.